So here I am in Mr. Grant's math class, and I am logged in as Mr. Grant. I'm going to go to his planner, and I want to copy any of his lesson plans. So I am going to hit the gear icon, and to copy just an individual assignment or multiple assignments, I want to click the box for that lesson plan or assignment. Not the unit checkbox, but the assignment or lesson plan. And then I can come up here and click the copy button. And then I can go to the date that I want to paste that to. Say we want to paste that to today. So now it's added the lesson here. And originally, that lesson was in unit number sense. But now that new lesson is in math functions, as in the unit. Now you can change that unit. You can update and add a new unit. But the lesson plan, all that data, is still there, what standards it's assigned to, if you've assigned standards, if it's visible to students, any text you've typed in for the lesson plan itself, any notes for the students will still be there. And if you've cross-posted it, you can also cross-post it for the new date as well. So that's how to copy a single lesson plan from one date to another in your planner. Hope this helps.